So hey there, welcome to another video, and today in this video I am going to talk about organophosphates poisoning, basically the pharmacological aspect of organophosphates poisoning. So yeah, watch the video till the end because this video will be more creative, interesting and more initiative. So after watching this video you will never forget this topic, so watch the video till the end. So before jumping into the organophosphate poisoning, I would like to tell something about parasympathetic system. So in our body we have two systems in ANS, parasympathetic and sympathetic. Here we need only parasympathetic system, so we are more focusing on parasympathetic system. So first point is that we have two systems, parasympathetic and sympathetic. Okay, second point, what is the neurotransmitter for parasympathetic system? So neurotransmitter, it is a acetylcholine. Third point, how acetylcholine is secreted. Okay, so first it's secreted, it do the function, it do the work, whatever muscarinic and nicotinic action. Okay, second thing, some of acetylcholine goes back, that is the reuptake. And third point, some of acetylcholine is metabolized by the acetylcholine esterase enzyme. Now acetylcholine esterase enzyme have two catalytic binding site, and also I have two hands, so I can easily explain you with my hands. So this is esteric site and this is anionic site. My left hand is esteric, my right hand is anionic. Now anion means negative, so this anionic site is negative. Now what happens? So acetylcholine comes, okay, so acetyl binds to esteric site, A for E, okay, and choline binds to the anionic site, okay, and further process will begin. So that's the thing, and I told you 3 points. First we have parasympathetic system, second parasympathetic system has neurotransmitter acetylcholine, and third acetylcholine is metabolized by the acetylcholine esterase and it has a two catalytic binding site. Now what is organophosphate? Okay, so they are actually present in insecticide and they are compound like malathion, parathion or tabun, sarin or a nerve gas. Okay, so whenever organophosphate increasing in body, how they can increase in body? Because of the exposure to that compound. Okay, if you expose to that compound with longer duration, so they'll increase in body. Now organophosphate are in your body, also acetylcholine esterase in your body. Now what is organophosphate? So it is indirect anticholinergic. Indirect anticholinergic means it inhibits the acetylcholine esterase enzyme. Okay, now what happens? So you can see in the image, organophosphate binds to the esteric site. This is esteric, this is anionic. Organophosphate binds to the esteric site. Now after binding, hydrolysis occur, you can see in the image at this point, and also H2O is going to be added to this point, and this whole mechanism is called aging. Okay, so what is aging? Aging means block, that block becomes irreversible. How the block becomes irreversible? Now what happened next? If block is become irreversible, acetylcholine esterase can't metabolize the acetylcholine, so in the body acetylcholine is going to be increased. Now I told you previously that acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter of what? Parasympathetic system. So it shows the effect of that system like salivation, lacrimation, then pinpoint pupil, and also they shows the action that are related to the nicotinic receptor, all the muscle related actions. Okay, so that's the whole organophosphate poisoning. And now how can we give treatment? Okay, we can't treat patient will die. Okay, so we can directly give atropine to the patient. Now what is atropine? It's a anticholinergic drug, so it will reverse all the cholinergic effects. Second thing are the oximes like diacetyl monoxime or pralidoxime. Okay, so now let's assume that organophosphate is the villain of this story and acetylcholine esterase is the heroine of this story, and this case is of kidnapping case, and oxime is the superhero of this story. Now superhero have a high intelligence and they think differently and they have many plans to kill the villain. So oxime thinks that, oh, organophosphate binds to which site? It binds to the esteric site. Now anionic site is free, I can bind to anionic site and then I'll kill the villain. Okay, so oximes bind to the anionic site, and by binding the anionic site they do the bond formation at this site that's shown in the image, and they also resolve the bond, okay, that is formed by the hydrolysis. And by doing this, superhero done his work and it regenerate the acetylcholine esterase. So at the end, heroine goes with hero and villain died, and it's a happy ending of this story and also happy ending of my video. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, if you want more videos, educational videos, medical field related videos, please share this channel to everyone, and also please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. मिलेंगे हम next video.